How to add and customize a website section in Hostinger Website Builder. Hello guys and welcome to this new tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how simple it is to add a section and customize it and put some elements into that specific section in Hostinger Website Builder. So the process is going to be very easy. You're going simply to head over hostinger.com, sign in into your account that you have for the specific websites that you're going to make the changes for. So you're going to get the H panel or the Hostinger panel for that specific account, which is going to be considered as a dashboard. Now we are going to head over the left side of the screen and we have this menu. So we are going to select websites to get the access to the websites that we own. So we are going to see here the premium website Hostinger or hosting. So we are going to get this icon that will assure us that we are going to make the adjustment to a Hostinger website builder. So we are going to click on edit website and then we are going to see the opened website or the editor. Now, once you're here, you're going to see that the template that you have chosen or you have made has a lot of sections, and these sections are going to be fully customizable. So I'm going to first let you see how we can add a section, and then we can go ahead and proceed to the other steps. Now, how we can add a section is going to be a simple question. So basically, I'm going to scroll down a little bit. And as you can see, we have at the end of each section a beginning of a new section. And that is going to be a line called an intersection or a intersection between the sections. So when you hover the mouse about that interline, so you're going to get the option or the button to add a section. So you can find it in here or any type of section or interline between two sections. So I'm going to add a section here at the end before the footer. So I'm going to add it before that. We're going to head over the intersection and we are going to click on here, add section. We have here tons and tons of pre-made sections, blank sections, blog sections, online store sections, main, about, services, and tons. Go ahead and select whatever or what section that you want to add. For example, you can add a blank section and start customizing it. You can set up a pre-made or preset section, like for example, product category section or a contact, subscribe form section, a map section, resume section like this, and then you can add it right there. So let's add here a section like this. For example, the resume section, I'm going to add this and I am going to start modifying how we can customize and modify this specific section. Basically, you're going to get the possibility to change the elements that we have on the section, like the internal component, like this image, for example, this title or this text, and all the elements that we have. You can add by customizing the section, add some elements like a button, like an image, a video, an Instagram feed, or whatever. And these are going to be a component for that specific section that we are going to modify. If you want to put some layout or design into the specific section and want to modify them, click on Edit Section. So you can go ahead and change the background color of the section to an image, to a color, or to a video. Also, you can change the layout of the section to here, for example, snap to guides, snap to elements, row heights, and row gap. You can keep the grid visible. As you can see, these are going to be the dynamic or the moving grids that will allow you to set up the position of the elements that you have. Also, you can add an anchor for a easy reach for that specific section from a link. Now, aside from that, you can add also the elements that we have or move around the elements that we've got from this section. Like this text, you can make it here like this. You can change the color of it, or you can change the whole things together. Basically, that was all for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that you have enjoyed the content, and I hope to see you soon on the next one.